Hey friends, this is Latif here, Val, and welcome to the new update on Dogelon Mars. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Dogelon Mars has broken out a broadening rising wedge pattern, and this was my last video that I shared few hours ago with you. And now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price line has pumped very well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this current high, then you can see that it pumped almost 140% within the next few days. And right now you can see that it was trying to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from point double zero, double zero, and double zero, six times zero, double $205 and goes to 2500. And after moving up, the price and is again dropped down, and now it is possible that it may work as a strong support. You can see that on a 4-hour time frame, it completely broke it out, and even on the daily time frame chart, we had a closing above this resistance on. You can see that the closing price, by the way, you can watch the closing price here, was at 2886. So therefore now it can break as a support. And in case of breaking down this support zone, it can retest this previous uptrend line that was previously working as support here, and now again it can work as support. And in case of breaking down this uptrend line, it can retest the previous resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern as a support as well. You can see if we watch here the oscillators, the stochastic and RSI, both oscillators were extremely overbought. You can see that stochastic was entered the overbought zone. We have received the bear cross now by the stochastic, and RSI was also entered the overbought zone, and therefore we are watching this price correction. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this breakout from this big and long-term down channel as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup of FIDA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup like this with the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of a Dogelon Mars. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern. And now after the breakout from this broadening rising wedge pattern, imminently the price has broken out this uptrend line resistance and also broke out this long-term resistance on that start from double two 05 and goes to 2500, and now it is retesting the previous resistance as a support. And in case of breaking it down, it can test this uptrend line support. That is a quite long-term uptrend line support. Previously it had been breaking as a support. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then it will be easy for us to watch this long-term support zone. You can see that previously it was breaking as support zone here from the month of June 2021 up till the month of September 2021. Then we had a very, very massive pump. Then for several months, it had been testing the support here. And now, again, after this breakout, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Dogelon Mars. By the way, the target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 4200.000000, 6 times zeros, $4200. And over there, we have another quite long-term resistance that was previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here for a few weeks and resistance here as well. And now if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart here, then you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And so far, the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from that wedge. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge, approximately at point double zero double zero and 05 times $0.2276. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.